easy 5-minute guided meditation for beginners to help you reach ultimate clarity and relaxation. Make yourself comfortable and gently close down your eyes to limit any distractions. These next few minutes are for only you, and they will make the world of difference for the rest of your day to come, your evening, and the following days. Bring your conscious awareness to your breath, the ultimate source of relaxation in your life. Notice at the top of the breath a brief moment of stillness, and notice at the bottom of the breath again a brief moment of stillness. For the next few moments, harness your attention on your breath, the stillness. If your mind wanders, lovingly bring it back to your breath. Very well. Next, you're going to breathe into every muscle of your body. And as you breathe into each muscle, you will become more and more relaxed. You will feel more and more clear. Starting from the top of your head, make your way all the way down to the tips of your toes, breathing into those muscles. Breathe more deeply into those muscles that are holding the most tension. Wonderful. Now that you are fully relaxed, fully centered, and fully focused, set your intention for the next 24 hours. Whether it's a state of mind, a state of being, or a task to accomplish, set that intention right now and visualize all the surrounding details and visualize how you will feel after the next 24 hours. Well done. And with that, I will meet you back here tomorrow for our next meditation. Namaste.